guys, let's talk about receiving cryptocurrency and digital assets while playing video games. Yes, I know you don't want to think about taxes when you're playing your video games. I know I don't, but unfortunately with these play to earn games, it's becoming a reality and you're fulfilling the requirement to check yes to the very first question on this year's tax return, which is, did you receive any virtual digital assets during the tax year? So if you're playing a game where you are earning cryptocurrency, even a small amount, you are fulfilling that question to check yes, and you have to report it as other income on your tax return. Now, the way you value that is the date you receive that game's digital assets on that date, what that value is in US dollars. It's helpful to use a software to track this as opposed to writing it down or tracking it in Excel. A crypto tax software can help you with all of this. So you want to make sure you're tracking what you're receiving in these games, especially if it's a large amount, because you will have an income tax filing obligation and you will have to check yes to that question.